And then comes the steel gang. Good workers. They have to be. For despite advances in technology and machinery, building a railroad is some of the hardest work you can do. In summer, they start near dawn and labor until it gets too hot. Not for them, but for the rail, which can be laid only between 60 and 90 degrees to help control expansion and contraction. The rails, heavy, 132 pounds to the yard, twice the weight of those that opened the West 100 years ago. They sing as the straddle buggies pull them off the specially built cars and welded strings a quarter-mile long. That's 62 tons of steel snaking along the tie tops. It's a premium road in all respects. Even the granite ballast, much of it is local, though BN hauled some stone up to 500 miles to avoid using inferior materials. It pours out nearly 3,000 cubic yards to the mile, helping the rails and ties grip the earth. Two crews, working from opposite ends of the line, push toward each other as fast as weather, muscle, machines, and ingenuity allow. The sun and constant wind of the high plains are their companions. Their task near completion, the crews approach each other at the rate of 3/4 of a mile per day. Then, after 3 years of building, after almost 3 million spikes have been driven, the rails come together. The last ceremonial spike is driven home. The cost of the new line, about $110 million. A month later, on the plains near Reno, Wyoming, the first loaded coal train moves down the new tracks. The Gillette-Orin line, shortcut to western coal country, is open. And so, they roll. Customers in Wyoming, Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa, Missouri, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Texas, and Louisiana are helped because hours and miles are saved in delivery over the new line. In fact, it can be said that train operations benefit all along BN's coal routes. There is more dependable service to and from the coal fields. Greater schedule flexibility, regardless of where the coal is going. It may go to terminals for transshipment down the Great Lakes. It may go to rivers to be barged. It may go to any of 15 other railroads to be carried over their lines. The United States is the world's largest consumer of energy. Electric plants throughout large parts of the nation rely on coal shipped by BN. For millions of citizens, this coal, this power, is essential to the way they live. In Burlington Northern's response to the coal challenge, there are benefits for all. The mines, the utilities, the railroads, the public. As the nation fights the energy battle.